If you are an AI guru, this video is not for you. Please pass. If you've never made an AI image, this video is for you. Please come closer. I'm going to show you in this video how you can create an AI image using ChatGPT. If you are interested, click on the plus button, like this video, leave a comment, and you can share it with your friends. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is you head over to either App Store or you go to your Play Store. You download ChatGPT. It's free to download. Once you download, as you can see, I've gone into my accounts, my ChatGPT account. You do all your settings, you sign up, you open up your account if you don't have it. But if you have it, you just go in straight there. So if you can see, I'm using the free version of it, and it is very simple. It also creates nice images even when you don't pay for it. You have certain credits per day that you can use to create images. So there's no excuse if you want to post content, or if you want, you can use the AI image, you can use them anywhere. So when you get to your ChatGPT like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and then I'll see where it is saying ChatGPT, then images. So I'll click on images, and this is what is going to come up. So here there are styles, okay? Try a style on an image. So these are templates, the template that you can use if you want to create something. All right, so let's try to create. First, I'm going to show you how you can create something from just here using these templates. So I can click on this gold one, and then it's saying choose a photo, take a selfie. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a selfie. That's my selfie, and it's generating now. Yeah, so that's how you can start with. Very, very simple. There's nothing that you are doing. You just do a selfie, and the AI is doing everything for you. It's creating the image for you. So that is my God image. You see, guys, if you can see, it resembles my face, isn't it? Yeah. So you can click save here, and the image will be saved into your gallery. So I'll go back. So you can choose anyone that you like from here. So if you can see here, it is saying 6 left. So I've got 6 left to create for today. Okay, so you can choose any how you like from here. Then you can go discover something new. Then you can create something from here. Me as an emperor, reimagine my pet as a human, give me a book, bow cards, all these are other templates that you can use. For example, if you want to remove a background from your image, you can use something like this. So these are the things that you can do in your image creation. So another thing I want to do is, I'll just create my own image that I want. Maybe I have something in my mind, then I'll say, okay, I want to create this. So let me go, I'll click here where it's saying like a camera, describe an image. So let me do this. Let me describe an image. So let me do this. Create me in office on a desk with a laptop. Okay, so since I want my own image to appear in that image, so I'm going on my gallery and get the reference. I'll get this one. Okay, and then it's there on my desk with a laptop. Yeah, so I'll just click on it. So let's wait for it to create. The image is being created. It's very, very easy. You see, that's my image. So if I want, I can try to put in more. If I want, I can try to put more and more information so that it can create something that is what I want, because this one is just a simple thing. Like if you want something very simple, this is the thing that you like. And this is my image. I can use this image wherever I would like. And if I want to describe it more, I can do it. Maybe let's try to do something to it. Maybe we can say, let the laptop or Mac or app show Apple logo on it. Yeah, same. You see, that's it. And this one looks even better. So that is how you can create images using ChatGPT. There's a lot. If you go in there, there's a lot you can do, and it's for free. And if you can see, there's no difference between my face and the way it is looking. Yeah, this is how you can create images like that. But as I always say, if you want to post There's no excuse. This time things have changed. There's AI where you can create your images. So for example, if you are in cooking tutorials or something, and maybe that time you don't have time to post something using your own images or your own videos, you can just quickly go to ChatGPT, create some images, put up some text there and post it. You are creating content like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.